Hi everyone, this video is about VivoBook 15 review. So don't waste the time, let's go.
A beautiful screen on a solid machine, the ASUS VivoBook 15 packs the punch to multitask like a boss, all the while weighing less on your pocket. All the laptops come with a flat screen, but this one seems to be given great thought by the design team. The 15.6 FHD panel is sharp, colorful, and has 178 degrees of viewing angle, all of which make it sit on the list of desirable screens. The bezels are extremely thin, which adds a character to the whole screen. Even though the laptop isn't too wide compared to it, the thin bezels stretch it further away to make it look larger than life. No matter what you view on this one, it will be a treat to the eyes for sure. The performance is equally dazzling. With an AMD Ryzen 7 CPU that injects Radeon Vega 10 graphics, your multitasking will go smoothly as ever. It comes with 4 cores and 8 threads, bagging a total of 7,346 CPU mark benchmarks. I choose this benchmark because it gives an idea of the overall performance as compared to its competitors. Speaking of which, it underperforms as compared to the Intel Core i7 8th generation, but takes over the 7th gen of the same. It also performs better than the AMD Ryzen 5 series. So to say, the laptop won't say no to running modern applications, such as the Adobe CC Suite and tens of Chrome browsers. However, it will show its limitations when you're working with graphics-intensive content, such as a 4K video. Doing that alone won't be a problem, but multitasking, including that, would slow things down. The laptop stays in the safe zone when it comes to battery power. That is to say that it's not the greatest, but also not the least you could expect. On a full charge, it takes 5 hours to completely drain. Thankfully, it charges faster. The ASUS VivoBook 15 weighs only 3.4 pounds, which means carrying it in your bag to your school, college, or office shouldn't be a problem at all.
Okay, so I hope you like this the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.